Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my mom's aunt's garage looking today at the linear chain drive garage door opener. It is pretty quiet. The motor is actually more quieter. A while back, they used to have an old Stanley garage door opener, but they unfortunately don't have it anymore because their Stanley garage door opener died in 2016, and then they actually installed this opener the same year after their Stanley garage door opener quit working. By the way, it does have a wall button, but I'll use the wall button a little bit later, because I'm going to do the outside viewing of the garage door first. It does have a remote, and I will definitely use it. Now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time their garage door was very, very squeaky than it was now. Excuse me. By the way, from that house over there, I recorded their Chamberlain screw drive hours ago this afternoon, which I've been recording their Chamberlain screw drive hours ago, a couple hours ago this afternoon. Alright, now let's close it from the outside, and here we go. It's not very loud. Aw, how adorable is that cat over there. I don't know whose cat it is. It's probably not theirs. Alright, now let's go ahead and open the garage door back up, and here we go. Last time when I was here, the door was like squeaking a lot. It's very, very quiet. Alright, now let's go ahead and close the garage door by using the remote, and here we go. Alright, now let's show you this wall button. It does have a switch where you lock your garage door opener, but I'm not going to do the switch. But it does have a light button in case if you want to turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door. Okay, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time. And here we go. They used to have like a Stanley garage door opener, but unfortunately their Stanley garage door opener quit working since, like I said earlier in the video, like I said a couple minutes ago in the video, their Stanley garage door opener died in 2016. Their opener is much more quieter than their Stanley. Alright, now let's go ahead and close the garage door one more time, and then that will be it. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video of this linear garage door opener. Let me turn the opener light off. So I can just have so that the light bulb cools down. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video of this linear garage door opener. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.